Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to change fonts on Facebook. So open your Facebook app. You can only change fonts on Facebook for your caption or status updates. You cannot change the fonts that appear on your feed. So you have to start with creating a post. Tap on what's on your mind and type out the caption that you want. It is important to remember that you cannot directly change your font on Facebook. You have to take help from an external site. So copy the text and then open your web browser. It could be Google or any, and then type font changer. Open the website and you can paste your text here. Just below that, you can see many options on how you want your font to be. Pick the font you want and then copy it. And then go back to your Facebook and paste your font. So this is how you can change your font on Facebook. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.